On October 22, 1993, the Indian Army stormed the shrine of Hazrat Bal at the behest of the Brahmin imperialism in New Delhi.
दरगाह का जो मुहासरा किया गया है भारतीय फौजियों की तरफ से वो उस दरगाह की ज़बरदस्त बेहुरमती है.
And they insulted the blessed hair of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The powerful Hindus of India were very well aware that the blessed hair of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is present in Hazrat Bal, while his honor is a matter of life and death for the Muslims.
मेरे बच्चों को मारते से सोता मरता है. कसम खुदा रसूल की, कसम खुदा रसूल की, मैं बनूंगी मुजाहिद.
हर खबर पर होगी आपकी पकड़. लाइक कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए व्हाइट न्यूज.
Hello, this is Bakhtavar Mahmood and you're watching White News. Viewers, today I would like to share the most important incident of this century. An incident about which a large number of Muslim Ummah is still unaware. Yes, this is the incident of October 22, 1993, when the Hazrat Bal shrine in the occupied Kashmir was attacked by the Indian Army and they insulted the blessed hair of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Dargah Hazrat Bal is considered to be the holy and most respectable place in occupied Kashmir. It is to be noted that the Muslims of occupied Kashmir want independence from the Hindus of India, while some powerful Brahmin families of New Delhi have deployed more than 500,000 Indian troops in Kashmir using the tax money of the poor Indians. They have enacted numerous black laws to protect the war crimes of this Indian army. Now coming to the actual incident of October 22, 1993. On October 22, 1993, the Indian Army stormed the shrine of Hazrat Bal at the behest of the Brahmin imperialism in New Delhi.
आज तक मैंने कभी नहीं सुना है कि कभी भी कोई नमाज दरगाह शरीफ में मिस हो गई, जबकि इंडियन ट्रूप्स उसको घेरा लगा के किसी को नमाज पढ़ने नहीं देते. क्या आप इसको तौहीन नहीं समझती है?
The powerful Hindus of India were very well aware that the blessed hair of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is present in Hazrat Bal, while his honor is a matter of life and death for the Muslims. But to disgrace the Muslims of occupied Kashmir, the Indian Army entered the shrine of Hazrat Bal with shoes. The shrine was damaged and they put the locks on the doors. The incident spread like fire among the Muslims and the valley protested, and 10 to 15,000 followers of Ahle Bayt gathered over there. Now the unarmed followers of Ahle Bayt and the arrogant Indian army were face to face. In an atmosphere of fear and terror, India's 74 BSF battalion opened fire on Ahle Bayt followers, leaving 51 Muslims martyred and 200 seriously injured.
मेरे बच्चों को मारते से सोता मरता है. कसम खुदा रसूल की, कसम खुदा रसूल की, मैं बनूंगी मुजाहिद.
For the first time in the history, the gathering of Milad an-Nabi was banned by the bigoted and aggressive Modi government in 2019, which was held at the ancient shrine of Hazrat Bal in occupied Kashmir. It is to be noted that the present Indian government also has deep ties with Israel, and the Indian army is using Israeli weapons and torture techniques to inflict atrocities on the oppressed Muslims in Kashmir. The holy hair of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was brought to this shrine of Hazrat Bal in the year 1635 AD by Sayyid Zada Sayyid Abdullah while migrating from Medina to Hyderabad in India. This was the period when Muslims ruled all over the India. When the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb received this news, he placed the blessed hair of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the shrine of Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti.
यहाँ पर मोई मुक़द्दस हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम है. नूरुद्दीन अशावरी रहमतुल्लाहि अलैह जो कश्मीर का रहने वाला था, जिसके पास ये मोई मुक़द्दस हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम था, उसने उस वक़्त उसको अर्ज़ी की कि मुझे ये मोई मुक़द्दस हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कश्मीर के लिए मुझे दे दो. फिर उसने उसको ये दिया.
In the year 1700 AD, Inayat Begum, daughter of Kashmiri merchant Khwaja Nuruddin Asya, established the shrine of Hazrat Bal and placed the blessed hair there. The Indian fanatical rulers close the shrine from time to time, and sometimes they insult the shrine because Indian extremists believe that Kaaba and Medina were the great centers of Hindus, which the Muslims seized and smashed their sacred statues. Therefore, in spite presence of the blessed hair of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the shrine of Hazrat Bal, they attack it in various ways. They show an expression of hatred towards Muslims. The hatred escalated to the point that in December 1963, the theft of Moe Mubarak at the behest of the Indian government came to the light. In January 1964, when the Muslims protested, the Moe Mubarak was recovered and placed in the shrine. Viewers, insulting the blessed head of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is a matter of faith and honor for the entire Muslim Ummah. And there are still followers of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in this world who have sacrificed their lives for the honor of him, but who will take the revenge for this incident of Dargah Hazrat Bal from the Indian imperialism.